nails for Sanam. In this video I'll be testing this Bevimee magnetic gel polish, and it's a magnetic cat eye, and it is non-toxic, low odor and advanced formula which gives you a perfect effect all the time. So let's check what's in the box. We have this magnet, and then this is the polish. I like the bottle design. It has a gold finish. This one is in P05, which is a silver color, and it also comes with the instruction booklet on how to achieve different types of cat eye effects. It is a bright silver color, and it is very smooth formula. It's very advanced. I'm trying it without any base color, so just apply the color just like this, and it is very smooth. And when you apply the magnet, look how effect it is, and you can play with it, and once you achieve the desired effect, you can just cure it. Now I'm going to apply it on a black base. So I already cured a black base, and then I'm going to apply a single layer, and then play with the magnet and see how beautiful effect it creates. It's very smooth, and it is almost like a moon cat effect. So I really like it. You can play all day with it. So it's a good size bottle. It's a 12 ml, and it has a lot of product, and I have added the link in the description box if you like to purchase this item. Also, you can achieve all the effects with this single magnet that they provided. Once you're happy with the effect, then you can cure it for 90 to 120 seconds. Now let's try some design. I'm going to draw some rose with this cat eye magnetic polish and see how the effect will come out. So I'm trying the magnet, and then you can see that it almost gives me a 3D effect, which I really like it. So I'm just going to cure it, and then your design is ready. Make sure to apply the top coat and cure it again. So I hope you enjoyed the review as much as I like playing with it, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.